So getting straight lines in is actually easy when you're doing thermoplastic, because what you'll see behind me is we use these aluminium straight edges. Essentially, it's a 5-meter bar of aluminium, so it's fairly lightweight. And it also, you can flick off the paint afterwards once it's sort of cured onto it as well, so it doesn't get too sticky. What you'll see we do though, is we typically put it along the edge of the line that we're going to be marking out. We pour it from the jug into the hand mold, drag it down that straight edge, and that's how we get the perfect white lines in. As soon as that's installed, we can actually then lift it up. In fact, I'll show you here on this one that's been installed. You can simply lift this up, move it over to the next line, reinstall it, and that will give you a nice straight edge to follow. Now, the same isn't true when you're doing spray application. Typically we laser guide that because you're using a machine that you push along. The same is also true when you're using a pram for thermoplastics, but for the majority of sort of sites like this, you can see Lee in the background here, we'll hand mold it because it's actually a lot quicker and easier for a small place just to get the hand molds out and do that, heat them up quickly. Getting a pram out, one of the things we find is you can't quite reach the back of the curb to get the line in, which means you have to hand lay anyway. So having these straight edges is how we get the lines in, how we get them straight, and it's a really nice straightforward process. You simply lift it up once it's done. Any paint that's stuck to it afterwards, as I say, we can sort of flex it, the paint comes off for us, and we're left with a really nice, clean, straight edge. That's essentially how we get them straight.